I've always been the kind of girl that hid my face, so afraid to tell the world what I've got to say. This is real, this is me, I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be now. Gonna let the light shine on me. Now I found who I am, there's no way to hold it in. No more hiding who I wanna be. This is me.
What I'm about to open and experience is like, I've been seeing this all over my For You page, Instagram, and TikTok. I had to scroll right past it. Like, I wanted to comment on my friend's videos, but I'm like, I'm gonna watch it. I want a genuine reaction unboxing. After I unbox this, I'm going to be editing it, and then I'm going to go into my friends' videos and just support theirs too, because I couldn't before, because I couldn't watch it because I needed a blind, genuine unboxing. Let's open it now. I love it. I just love it. It's perfect. You know what? I really like how this is like, when you have like microphones in here, like instruments and stuff, it's like, I love the design of it. Like, look at the inside. So, we got some merch. This is the official, like, when you get the itinerary, the new session beginning. Can I join, please? The brochure, not the itinerary, the brochure. This is the brochure that Mitchie had in her locker when she was just like throwing stuff out, and then her best friend came over to her and be like, but you have to go to Camp Rock, it's where, you know what I mean? This is the one. Oh my goodness, where music meets friendship. So sweet. Next we got a Connect 3. What is this? Is this a shirt? Just a shirt? I got a shirt. I'm wearing this to sleep tonight. Pajama shirt, love it. I love these. So cute. And this is actually really soft too. You know what I might do? I might make it into a crop top or something, like a muscle tee. I don't know. Then we got a Von Dutch hat. We love. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna wear it now. Adorable. Love it. For memories. Digital camera. You know what? I am going to the Jonas Brothers concert next week, next Thursday, and then I'm going to the Daisy Chain Festival. I'm gonna be making some memories on here. Thank you so much, Disney Plus. I love it. So cute. You know what I might do? I've been seeing, like, the trend that everyone's been bedazzling everything. I'm gonna be putting some rhinestones on here, I think. And we have friendship bracelets. I love these. Oh my gosh. And then we got these little patches that you iron on. This is so cute. Classic camp activities. I used to do these all the time in camp. And then what do we have here? Stop. A s'mores kit. You know I'm doing this tomorrow night. Friday night, I'm doing this. Thank you for not melting in the delivery process, but little s'mores kit. I love this so much. This is also a really cute gift. Not that I'm giving it away. Love it. Is there... Stop. Stop it. Mitchie's. I just got the chills. Who will I be? You best believe I'm no longer gonna be writing my song lyrics in my notes on my phone. It's gonna go in Mitchie's songbook. As you saw at the beginning, the little girl in me, 13 years old, now I'm like, it's gonna be good in this. Years later. And here I am getting a box from Disney Plus for Camp Rock 3. Here we are. We're going to Camp Rock. Thank you, Disney Plus.
Back in town.